Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making air fryer chicken tenderloins. What all goes into the air fryer chicken tenderloins? 1 pound of chicken tenderloins, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. Take a mixing bowl, put in your tenderloins, then add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix that until they're thoroughly coated. Let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. Put in your 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And mix that until everything's thoroughly combined. All right, I'm going to set that aside. We want air fry, we want preheat, we want turn, we want the temperature to 375 for 8 minutes, and then we will turn it halfway through. Hit start to start preheating. It will let me know when to add the food. So it says to add the food, and I was being busy doing something else and you didn't get to see it. Lightly oil your basket, and I lightly oiled my liner, but I couldn't put my liner in until now. Then add your chicken slices. Do not overcrowd, single layer. Might have to do more than one batch. Put that back in. It'll count down halfway through. It'll tell me to turn the food over. It says to turn the food, and we will just flip it over and let it cook for the next 4 minutes. All right, so the 8 minutes is up. If it's not done, just pop it back in for a couple of minutes. Mine was really close to being done, but I'm putting it in for 2 minutes anyway. I did not hit preheat or turn because it's only for 2 minutes. And then I know it'll be done at 2 minutes. I'll check that, and then we'll put in our next batch. You need to let the chicken rest for 5 minutes. I'm going to start my other batch. I don't have to preheat it because it's still hot. No preheat, but I do want to turn it for 8 minutes. 375, start. We'll check and see if they are done. They're not going to get as crispy as if you bread it, but if you want it a little bit crispier, you can leave it in longer. Chicken can go longer than 165, and that's just barely 165. And so if it's not done to your liking, then you can put it back in, go down to 3 minutes till 375 and hit start. And we can check it then to see if it's going to be, more done, more crispier, whatever. So they are a little bit crispier, and they are definitely above 165. Look at the color on that. We'll let them rest for 5 minutes as well, which is fine because Dave's not home yet. Look at that one. When Dave gets home, we'll do a taste test. So here are the air fryer chicken tenderloins. Rounding out the meal is bourbon baked beans and my homemade ranch dressing as a dip. Let's see what Dave thinks. Air fryer chicken tenderloins and my homemade ranch dressing to dip.
Oh, okay. The chicken is very good. You made the ranch?
I made the ranch.
That's good. I like them both.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.